Well, hello. Where is he?
How are we?
Aye.
I just noticed a fucking thin bit there now, so I gone over there.
Thin a bit.
I did cut out for there, but I had to cut them all out. It was fucking shit for there.
Yeah. The chassis bit.
Yeah.
How does it join to the footwell then?
Huh?
How does it join to the footwell?
So yeah.
Yeah.
I'll just put something in there, like, I'll make something up and put it in there.
It just looks like it's thin bit going to hard bit, doesn't it?
Whereby now?
Like, see when it joins the floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, like,
yeah.
That just seems thin compared to that.
Whereby yeah, like.
Yeah. Like, well, no, the floor itself seems like a thin bit of metal.
I'll put a piece in there.
Yeah.
Behind there, like.
Is it?
Yeah, I'll have it coming around for there then. I'm gonna weld all outside as well. And grind it off so it looks tiny, like. And I'll weld the inside as well then, just to put in more strength. Yeah. I'll be fine now. Blend it all in there.
The little like
bag for that bag.
Oh, I'm excited. Don't know what to do with myself.
He said it was pretty hard, he would have wanted a better finish on him. But so much fucking grease and all that. He's done his best to get it off, like. Have a look.
Want to get out?
You were toys.
Oh, it's like Christmas. Wrapped and all. I do like a vlog sort of thing.
Yeah.
Even though I probably would never see the light of day. See that video I posted?
Yeah.
With the balloons blew up.
Yeah.
Helium in a balloon and she lit her like a sparkler on her birthday.
Fuck did it?
I just thought about the argon now. Is it flammable or not?
No, it's not.
Oh, look at that.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
I knew they'd look tidy.
Instant Ferrari look.
Yes, nice. See, that's probably going to go about looks like that. He did say and all, it's a bit. He said there's a bit, some of it got under on there.
Ah, don't worry about it.
Ah, but there, see?
The seal runs along in this channel.
Yeah.
So.
Ah, right. I said you could fucking. If we could have painted the inside, and I knew you couldn't paint the inside, like. If you could have painted the inside and out, you could have just fucking soaked it for a day in like fucking thinners or something.
Yeah.
I would have taken all the oil off.
I'd be surprised if it would actually, because if you have a look at the engine over there, it's like, well, if it's a 2005 engine, that's 13 years of oil. You know? That stuff stains. Oh man, that's lovely. That's really wicked.
Oh, I'm glad you're happy.
Oh yeah. And that's the one you're not even going to see. You'll only see this bit.
Oh, is it?
Oh yeah.
Ah,
that's awesome.
Bits he's on about. See what I ground them off, you can as well, can I?
The only one you know is you.
Ah?
I've looked at my engine. They're exactly the same. I thought they'd be all different, but it's not.
No?
Exactly the same. They just use the same like.
I was worried about fucking grinding them down, like.
Well, in case it went through, like.
Yeah, in case it was like an hole there or something.
Well, that's why I wasn't too worried, because I knew that I had my ones as spare, you know.
Oh, right.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, I tried to trisac that, so you couldn't see it. Yeah, you can still see it, like. I was rushing as well, see it.
No, don't worry, man. That was awesome. Oh, I reckon I should try it on the engine.
Aye. Oh, you